I'm gonna eat out of this one here. Munch on these bones like the dog I am, so you can see what I got going on right here. So you can make this however you want it, and they come out looking delicious. Y'all take a look at that. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Kappelle Outdoor video. And today, I think we have found a perfect spot to cook some lunch. So y'all check it out. So y'all can see out here, there's a truck right here. And I don't know if y'all can see off in the distance, but so this little area that I'm at right here is very open, which allows a nice breeze to come through here. So it's gonna keep the bugs down to a minimum. I'm not really sure how it's gonna do on the flames there, but I think we should be able to work it out. But y'all check this little area out. But yeah, guys, this is a nice little spot. They got a sunflower patch over there, but let me show y'all what I'm cooking up. So we are going to be doing some Korean Bibimbap again. So I got some beef short ribs here. I got some leftover rice, which I got to reheat. So there, I found like a technique online to reheating cold rice in a pot. So that should be pretty interesting. I got a carrot, zucchini. I got a little bit of red pepper paste or gochujang right here. I got some eggs, spinach, and some sesame oil. So, holy guys, that breeze just feels really good. Let's go ahead and get started. So I have this Lodge griddle type thing. So we are going to cook the short ribs on that. So let's go ahead and get this thing started here. As always, Abby marinated the short ribs, and they come out looking delicious. You'll take a look at that. Like, she does an exceptional job on marinating the short ribs. Alright guys, pulled the short ribs off and y'all can just see those grill marks. Man, does that look good or what. Alright, so now we're going to have to take this hot thing off here. And I'm going to warm up the rice in this King Camp big pot that I've had in my kit for a while. And then start prepping some veggies and stuff. So, alright, so what I found online as far as reheating rice in a pot here is you're supposed to add about 2 or 3 tablespoons to every cup of rice. So knowing me, I don't do measurements. The lid is right here. Cover that up. Figure out where I place the lid at. But while the rice is getting warmed up, what we're gonna have to do is just keep an eye on it, stir it occasionally until it gets light and fluffy again. And I'm gonna go ahead and prep these veggies so that way we can go ahead and get everything sauteed up in here. Let's see, are these bowls big enough? Probably not. So I have like the large bowl. I use this to eat out of and sometimes, you know, prep and cook food out of. Then I have these smaller Sea to Summit bowls, but I think I need to get about a medium size for eating. So I'm gonna eat out of this one here. But the rice is coming out pretty good. Just need to let it heat up some more. I added some more water in there because I don't think what I added was enough, so. And another thing, guys, I hope y'all really enjoyed like just me doing some outdoor cooking. I mean, even though the videos are kind of simple, you know, I want to try to get back more into it because sometimes I do struggle with coming up with video ideas, you know, depending on the weather and you know, everything else. So just trying to stay more consistent. I know I haven't been posting much this summer because it's just been hot, so. So the spinach will wilt down a little bit. Honestly, you can add however much you want. I probably will add this whole container here. Oh, we lost one. It's okay, we'll feed the rabbits with that. So yeah, I got her rice there. I'm just gonna give her some veggies over here off to the side. You just take the meat and just cut it off the bone. Just like that, right? Now, I know y'all are probably thinking, oh dude, there's a lot of meat left on there, whatever. You're right, there is. I'm gonna munch on these bones like the dog I am, so. All right, so y'all check out her little bento box that I'm making here. Just gonna throw on 2 eggs like that. And babe, I know you're gonna be watching this later on, and that's probably gonna be too much food for you, but that's okay. I want you to eat. It's all good. All right, guys, so you can kind of see my deconstructed bibimbap bowl right here. So, but I got some red pepper paste here. Honestly, this stuff right here is really good. I was gonna say a bad word, but yeah. So I got some of that on there, and this is spicy stuff too, so use however much you want if you do get some. And then I'm gonna top it off with here with a little bit of sesame oil, a little bit of drizzle on that. Just like that. And I'm not gonna put nothing on hers. She can make hers however she wants it when that time comes. But honestly, guys, now you just mix all this stuff up right here. And you can kind of see why I wanted a bigger bowl, because when you start mixing this stuff up, this can get messy pretty quick. You can see what I got going on right here. So you can make this however you want it. If you want more veggies, more flavor, less rice, whatever, but we're gonna give this a try. Let me get myself on camera here. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a try here. Guys, this is freaking delicious. It's like healthy. You got veggies, meat, carbs in there. If you like eating clean, if you like eating healthy, this is probably one of the dishes you need to add to your arsenal. You got the veggies, which you can do them however you want to. You got the meat, again, you do it however you want to. And you know, you got rice and the carbs and stuff like that. More protein from the eggs, but yeah. It's really good, but the only thing I can recommend to you is if you do eat it, don't plan anything else after the rest of the day, because you'll probably be heading up on the couch, or I might not even make it out of here. I might just crash right here in the driver's seat or find somewhere to hang my hammock up, because tell you what, guys, I'm full. But with that being said, I got a massive mess to clean up, so if y'all want to come help me out, I would greatly appreciate it. But if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to check out the rest of my channel. Like, subscribe, hype up the video, guys. Like I said, I haven't been posting much here recently. Just it's been too hot, guys. It's very hot. But yeah, go ahead and like and subscribe, hype up the video if you can. I greatly appreciate it. Let's get us back on track, you know, get the numbers up there and everything. But with that being said, I'll see you on the next one.